Everyone wants to know the recipe for this salad every year, and this dressing is the secret to its success. In a bowl, add 3 teaspoons of fried garlic, 25 grams of parmesan cheese, 250 grams of mayonnaise, 200 grams of cream cheese, and then mix it all together very well. Once that's done, let's set our dressing aside. In a larger bowl, add 500 grams of already seasoned shredded chicken breast, half a grated carrot, 100 grams of chopped olives, half a can of green corn, 50 grams of raisins, 200 grams of chopped ham, and top it off with our dressing. Now we just need to mix all of this very well. And this, folks, is the ideal consistency. On top, to finish, I will add some straw potatoes. The amount depends on your preference. And remember, if you want to add more salt, it's also optional. Spread it well, and on top, I decided to garnish it with an olive, some carrot pieces, and a few raisins. After decorating, take a look at how beautiful and perfect this salad looks for your Christmas dinner. Make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozina. A big hug until next time, and thanks.